You've been watching Piano Lesson with Warren for a while now. You like the videos, you like the content, and so, if this is you, I would like to personally share a special invitation with you. For the next few days, we're giving you a chance to join pianolessonwithwarren.com with a 25% discount offer. If you've been loving the stuff that I post on social media, if you have learned a lot, then this is your chance to take it to the next level with my step-by-step program where I've helped over 14,000 students over the last 9 years to get better at playing gospel piano by ear. And so today you can join the program with a 25% permanent discount. So once you join today, you retain this discount so long as you remain a member of the program. Now, we're doing this because life gets busy. Sometimes you start learning, then things get in the way. Maybe you had to pause for a session. Maybe you lost momentum. Maybe you still have the desire to grow, but you just haven't had the structure, the guidance, or the consistency to keep moving. And we all know things are a little bit tight right now financially as well. This discount is to help you overcome all of that. And this is exactly why I built pianolessonwithwarren.com. The program is designed to help you stop guessing at the piano and start understanding what you're doing, what you're playing. Again, everything that you see on YouTube with just a lot more structure and detail. For those of you who've been inside the program already, you know what's there waiting for you at a discounted rate. For those who have never been in the program before, inside you'll get lessons, dozens and dozens of lessons, lots of song tutorial breakdown, practice resources, ear training exercises, chord progressions, monthly live training sessions with myself, and a clear practice path that helps you grow step by step. So we're not just dumping a bunch of videos on you like what you see on YouTube. This is a step-by-step program so you know which order to go through the lessons and exactly what you should have achieved and what you should practice after each lesson. So whether you're trying to play better at church, learn songs faster, improve your chord progressions and understanding of theory, or finally want to be able to play with some confidence, I can guarantee you this program will help you to achieve those goals and get you on track. So again, 25% discount to join pianolessonwithwarren.com today. This offer goes away in a couple of days, so it's not a permanent offer. July 5th is when the discount goes away. I can help you to achieve your musical goal, make real progress, to help you hear music better, to help you understand what is happening in the songs you love, help you to sit at the piano with more confidence and know what to play, why it works, and how to use it in real music. So if you've been thinking about joining Piano Lesson with Warren, this is a great opportunity to claim this 25% discount, only available until July 5th. After that, the offer goes away and the regular program price stays. So don't wait too long. Click the link down below or visit pianolessonwithwarren.com/discount and claim your offer today. If you have any questions, you can post them below. And I do look forward to see you in the program. Have a blessed week.